Hi, you guys. Welcome back. My name is Carrie Penny. I am the Happy Crafty Homemaker, and welcome to show and tell number 149. So, I do have some things in my basket to share with you guys. Pretty normal week here. Nothing much to report. As always, I will try to include some pictures at the end of this video of the cats. I know that's what 90% of you guys keep watching all the way through my videos for. So I will have some banner and Pippin pictures there at the very tail end. Saturday, we should have the Premiere Momenti review coming up. I do have my project completed. I will be sharing the project here, and then we'll have a little chit chat about the yarn. Yeah. Just a reminder. Oh, no. I made a video for that. Anyway. Oh, I did some shopping, so I do have an acquisition here. So if you don't want some titillating stuff. So we do have some more blocks. We've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We got a Halloween block. 11. I got more done than I thought. 12. 13. We went to a street market, or was the spring festival in downtown Waxhaw over the weekend, and we also went out for lunch. So I did have a little extra time this week to work on some blocks in the car, and Troy had to go to the doctor, so I did get some more done then as well. So more blocks than expected. Well, set those down there out of the way. Next up, I promised you guys I would show you my Mexican manteleta that by Entrelot Cat, using my ALC yarn from my second month with the Avery collection and our Avery Creations. Dang it, I done it again, and it just says ALC on the box. Anyway, I told you guys the combination of this pattern with this yarn, I am in love. It just looks like spring confetti blew up all over the place. This is the colorway Dirty Little Secret, I believe. The weight is perfect for just a spring weight, toss it over your shoulder shawl. It also, now once again, I've said before, these are totally Carrie colors. We are in my wheelhouse for color here, but it's in the one skein configuration, hard blocked. I did totally soak this, hard block it with blocking wire, stretched it out completely. We have the perfect drape for just a around the neck detail, and it's still so lightweight even around the neck. Absolutely in love with how this turned out. You can really see it like up against the gray on my shirt, which Camp Crystal Lake, summer 1980. Not my favorite franchise, but it can pass up a good dorky shirt. I also have a Haddonfield High School t-shirt, and I've gotten some interesting commentary on that t-shirt. So anyway, love the combination. The Mexican manteleta pattern's absolutely beautiful. I'll have it linked in the description box down below, but this yarn, let's be real, beyond chef's kiss. It is absolutely gorgeous. I love how this turned out. I did really good at picking a pattern to really show off the pattern and the yarn at the same time. I am hoping month 3 looks as good. I'm going to try to get that done this week, but I do have one other project that I really want to dedicate myself to trying to get done. But month 3 will hopefully be done very, very soon. And I hope that's as good of a pairing as this is. It is another shawl. It's a different shape though, but we are keeping it light, airy, and lacy for the Wa Mamans. So my other finished object is a poncho, and I have forgotten the name of this poncho, and I forgot who designed it because I forgot to bring my pattern and leave it down here, and I haven't talked about it before. So this is my project using the Premier Momenti yarn, and it looks so narrow. I have not blocked this. I do believe I am going to steam block this instead of wet blocking it. So this yarn is like half cotton, half acrylic. Yeah, it's 58% cotton and 42% acrylic. So it should steam really, really nicely. But even as narrow as this looks, and I do love how this turned out. It does, I mean, just for shape's sake, it needs to be hit with a little steam. Well, something just to smooth it out a little bit. But it is so cute and so light and so airy. It's the perfect length to just doff on as you're running out. And it's been really weird here. So like we had a couple of days where it was really, really chilly in the morning and at night. Like as soon as the sun went down, it got chilly, and then it got hot again, and then it got chilly again. So like just to have something to just kind of like pop on just so you're not freezing if you're outside. I really like a good poncho. I've said this before with other things. I really like the color of this. Once again, gray is my favorite neutral to just pop in. This has a very like beachy, stonewashy, summery vibe with the lime, the aqua, and the purple. But with that gray just kind of thrown in there, it really does just ground, I think, this colorway. And in this pattern, it's absolutely perfect. But this will also be linked in the description box down below. So... but I'm very pleased with myself. I at least have one finished garment now for the year that I know for sure I will wear. So, loving that. Loving that. Next, we're going to move on to acquisitions. And this is what I had left of the 2 cakes I had. So, like I said, we did go down to a street market. And one of the things I picked up was some wax melts for the craft room. And this is Saturday morning cartoons, and this literally smells like Fruity Pebbles milk. It's supposed to smell like Fruit Loops, but it smells like Fruity Pebbles milk. Oh wow, look at my hair. It is absolutely heavenly. I've got a it's called like Unicorn Dreams, but the primary scent in it is a plumeria and melon combo. So I've got like one more cube of that. So I'm going to finish with that, and then we're going to smell like Saturday morning cartoons in here. I'm kind of looking forward to it. I got teak wood and something else to go upstairs. I love aroma decor. I think the way your house smells can really, set the tone for how you're feeling, and it can change your mood a little bit. Like if you're having kind of a poopy day and you've got a really nice clean smelling scent. Like I love linen scents and water scents upstairs. Like when you walk into your house and it just has that of refreshing, maybe to touch of citrus in there. I'm not a huge lemon person, but I do love grapefruit and orange. But well, this time of year, I love that citrus and linen scent. I am more of like a clove. I like hot cinnamon, but not sweet cinnamon a lot of the time in the winter time, just to spice it up a little bit. I'm not an evergreen scent person. I think fake evergreen, it like burns my nose. Anyway, so I placed an order with Aberdeen Wool Company. They are in the process of doing, they're moving their store, I believe, and they're doing whole bag sales of certain yarns. And the other day, one of the yarns they had was this Noro Garden Silk. And I got, let's see, 6, 8. Yeah, I got the 10 pack of these. So I'm holding up a couple just so you can see what the combination is. These are 50 gram balls. So that's 500 grams. This is color 395, lot 0, Silk Garden. This is 45% silk, 45% mohair, 10% wool. US 7 to 8 needles. It is a size 4. It does not give me a yardage. Oh, it says 100 meters. So I really do like Noro. I have mentioned it before. I think their silk is one of the most interesting things to work with. It is not soft and unctuous. I think a lot of people think of silk and what they're really thinking of is like satin. They're thinking of like a satin woven fabric, whereas silk is a little bit more like cotton. It's got a little bit more tooth to it. And I think when people touch Noro, where you've got this very rusticy hand to the yarn anyway, a very rustic hand to the fiber, I think it surprises a lot of people because it's it is more of a rustic feel yarn, but it works up like magic, and it's absolutely gorgeous. And I could not turn down the price. It was an excellent price for the 10-pack. So I don't know what these are going to be. These could be another poncho, since I seem to be on a poncho kick. These could be, I mean, these to me, I could do these fall, winter, spring. It's a little bit, because there's so much pink thrown in there, it's a little bit vivid. So I could do those year round as far as colors. The mohair and wool is the only thing I'm concerned with. As I live in the southeast of the US, it is balmy and sticky down here year round. So I probably am going to want something that is at least more of an outerwear thing, so I'm not getting a whole lot of body oil or sweat on the yarn itself. Not because it needs something underneath it. While it's rustic feeling, it's not, you know, itchy and coarse on the décolletage or anything. It's, I want to preserve that silk fiber. So thirsty. Somebody was actually asking me about this yarn a couple weeks ago. This is actually another Noro yarn. This is Silk Garden Sock. So that's all that is. And I only have one ball of it because they only had one ball in the watermelon colors. But it is gray, pink, yellow, green. It's to me just kind of looked like watermelons. I like these bright colors. But while I was there, I was like, wow, I really like the Tangle Poets yarn. So I got one, and we got the beat. A lot of the names are inspired by songs. So I would definitely say this just screams, we got the beat. Absolutely love it. It's actually more beautiful in person than it was on the picture. And I love particularly this section where you have the blue, but a lot of the other colors kind of pastel fade into it. So I'm dying to see what this works up as. And then I also got Age of Worry. And just because I thought it was really pretty, I'm not a John Mayer fan or anything, but I did think the yarn was just really pretty. I loved that jadey to turquoise tone in there with the neons. So I did do a little extra shopping beyond the sale. It happens. But they're so pretty, and they're so pretty together. I think that the jade with the pastel, like that, where they both have neons, I think that transition with what makes each one unique from each other is actually really cool and helps to blend them together a little bit more. So I'm going to rock on with my review video of the Premier Momenti yarn, and I will see you guys next week. Hopefully we'll have some more fun stuff to share with you guys. I should hopefully have a really awesome finished object that I'm looking forward to sharing with you guys. I'm just hoping everything goes okay with this project. Anyway, you guys take care. As always, I love you, and I will see you guys real soon. Enjoy the kitten pictures and take care. Bye, guys.